When did you move to Hong Kong?
November 2016.
Have you visited Hong Kong previously?
Yes, many times. The first time was in 1994.
Could you tell us about your first impression of the city?
Crowded, very urbanized, full of energy.
What word comes to mind when you think of Hong Kong?
Financial center.
Is there anything about Singapore that you miss?
Singapore is home. I miss home. But I also miss the space, the parks and the gardens.
What is your favorite travel spot in Singapore?
The Botanic Garden and also a staycation in Sentosa.
What is your favorite Singaporean food?
Hainanese chicken rice, of course, because I'm Hainanese.
Where can locals go to try this here?
You can try it at Tian Tian Chicken Rice Store, Cafe Malacca, and also Satay Inn.
What are some of your favorite Singaporean films or films about Singapore?
Ilo Ilo,
Who is your favorite Singaporean artist?
Cheong Su Ping,
Who do you admire in Singapore's history?
Mr. Lee Kuan Yew, of course.
What is your favorite movie about or from Hong Kong?
In the Mood for Love.
What is your favorite food or restaurant here?
煲仔飯, Kwan Gei 煲仔飯.
Do you have a place you regularly hang out at?
Not in Hong Kong because I try to explore as many places as possible.
What is your favorite activity to do in Hong Kong?
Hiking.
Is there something you would like to try here that you have not yet?
I hope to complete the Oxfam 100 kilometers McClohost Trail.
Do you have a favorite Cantonese word or phrase?
Mama Day.
What do you love most about the city?
I love the Victoria Harbour scene at sunset. I think it is something that I would never be able to erase from my memory, even if I leave.
Who would you like to see as the next speaker from Singapore at Asian Society?
Professor Wong Guang Wu.